Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can create an off-page SEO backlink on a DA90 website. So we're going to get the added benefit of an EDU, a DA90. It is a do follow backlink, so let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So this particular tutorial, we will use a fan favorite of GorillaMail.com. I'm not affiliated, it's just one that I use. So we're going to go ahead and use this email here. Now, in order to generate this particular off-page SEO backlink, what you will want to do is head on over to raptorx3.uchicago.edu /BBS/home period PHP. So you will want to click on the register button. Once on the register, you will be asked to choose your username and your password. We're going to need to confirm our password. And then you will need to supply an email. Again, for this particular video, we're going to use this one here. So once you are once you have established your way in and you've reached this page, I want to point out that perhaps for your name, you could put your business name. So you will want to head up here and click on your photo. Once you have clicked on your photo, there's a few things that you will need to do. So I want to go ahead and walk you through that now. We'll do all of the beginning stages, and then I'll show you the do follow. So you will want to put in some of this information. What I have found is accounts will get disabled almost immediately if you do not take the time to fill out at least some of the profile. Click on the edit profile. Then you might want to put in as your real name, we're going to put our business name. So after we have completed our real name with a citation, what I'm going to do is copy this for later to make it easier to place it in other places. This is the main basic information, so this is the screen that you really want to take care of the most. Make sure that you're putting this information in. So we will go ahead and save that. So now we have taken care of the basic information. This is one of the most important pieces to securing and keeping this particular EDU link live. So let's move on to the next step. So contacts, I never did that. Educational info. This was another piece that I added in. It was educational info. And I put in my work. And these are the accounts that stick, so I would take the time to do this. All right, so that is done. Then next, move over, and again, regardless of the information you put in, just fill these fields out so you can secure your account. I just want to mention that because just take the time. So we're going to go ahead and just put in here keywords. Again, it's all about putting in the information. All right, so now that we have this complete, we want to make sure, and this is very important, that if you've stayed this far, you want to make sure that everything is set to public. You want this to be able to be found. So we're going to go right back in here. We're going to go to our privacy settings. We want to make our wall public, our personal feed public, our doings public. Everything is going to be public here. All right. We'll save that. All right, so after you have completed doing all of making everything public so it could be found online and it could be found within the group. Now let's get into the best part as far as adding the links. I wanted to walk you through that entire process so you were able to secure the account, make sure everything could be found first so people don't jump ahead and just try to put in the backlink. So let's go ahead and get into that link now. So the very first one, and I've already went ahead and added it, is you add your personal site. All right. And then after that, if you go down here to your signature, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, it's called BB code, and BB code is how you can put in a URL with anchor text. So when you are online and you're placing your links, at least you will have anchor text as well, making this a contextual link, but you have to literally go out and post within the forum. So let's go ahead and add this now. As you can see, if hopefully you could see how this is set up right here. This is BB code. All right, so you know, and I've discussed this in other tutorials. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add that here. We will save it. So you have two opportunities here, personal site and then your signature. All right. All right, so now that we have this complete, I'm going to hop over to a different account that has the Mozbar installed, so we can go ahead and take a look at this particular link. So let me just make sure that I have everything taken care of. All right, so as you can see here, now that we're on the page, I have Mozbar installed on this page. Let's just go ahead and bring that up. We have a DA90 backlink. Now, what I have over here is pink for the no follows. As you can see, I've clicked it, and then green for the follow links. It follows the personal site. And then let me go ahead and show you what the signature will look like when you leave a comment. So let's go ahead and just, we'll go to, we're going to on a Raptor X forum. So let's just go ahead and take a look here. All right, this looks like it is, let me just make sure. All right, so we're just going to go on down here and put in something that maybe relates to plumbing services, just as an example to show you. And we will reply. All right, so as you can see here, we have a do follow within, and then we also have our signature. So we have the signature, we have the post, and this is really going to conclude how to get multiple EDU backlinks on a DA90 website. It's EDU, it's do follow, it's indexable. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about SEO backlinks, getting backlinks, link building strategies, really anything off-page SEO or link building, anything SEO, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO off-page SEO video. Have a wonderful day.